Institute of Computing, Engineering and Technology. Faculty members from the Institute of Teacher Education. Faculty members from the Institute of Agriculture and Related Sciences. Education and Governance. Faculty members from the Institute of Mathematics, Arts, and Sciences. The DSSC staff. Ladies and gentlemen, the deans of the different institutes. Institute of Graduate and Professional Education. Engineer Eduardo Aquino, Dean of the Institute of Computing, Engineering and Technology. Dr. Zandro P. Ibanez, Dean of the Institute of Business, Education and Governance. Dr. Juan P. Agudera, Dean of the Institute of Agriculture and Related Sciences. Dr. Cynthia B. Rocio, Dean of the Institute of Teacher Education. And Professor Christopher Sontan, Dean of the Institute of Mathematics, Arts, and Sciences. Ladies and gentlemen, the Board of Trustees. Please welcome Dr. Sherry Ann P. Rojas, Director for Research, Development, and Innovation. Dr. Quinilene Alvarez, Director for Extension and Community Relations.
Wala akong Omega.
Dr. Emily E. Trinidad, Director for Instruction. Dr. Jerry Anthony Arnett, Director for Student Affairs and Services.
Arnado, my advisor.
Dr. Filomeno Alba, Director for Information, Communication and Technology Center. And of course, Professor Eric Relion, Director for Auxiliary Services. Our college registrar, Professor Dulce Marie Martinez. Sibog Jr., Vice President for Administration and Finance. Dr. Cyberlene M. Camposano, Vice President for Academic Affairs. Please welcome Assistant to the President, Dr. Alexander Campaner. Our Board Secretary, Professor Marites Rodona. Our Student Trustee, Chino Dayanan. Our Alumni President, Mr. Wally Carcedo. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome in our midst our dear College President, Dr. Audrey E. Fuentes. Ladies and gentlemen, the guest of honor and speaker of the 5th commencement exercises of Davao del Sur State College, Honorable Congressman John Tracy Fortish Cagas. For the invocation to be led by the DSSC Chorale.
And commendable. He is fondly called Manong John by many and if not all over the people. He really stands like a brother to us and a father to all. With the utmost and genuine care of progress in the province, I am extremely proud to welcome him today as our guest speaker. I am certain that you will learn a great deal from him. Without further ado, let us all warmly welcome Congressman Attorney John Tracy F. Cagas. Sir.
Kanunay, makadungog ta sa atong mga ginikanan, no? Nga ang edukasyon, ang paghuman sa eskwela, maoray bugtong pahandi nga ikabilin. Because mausubas kasagaran sa ato dili man ta anak og dato, no? Anak man ta sa publing ultin, no? Sa una, makinamdam ko sa kong amahan, si the late Gary Cagas, no? Samtang nag-studio ko sa akong klase, upaw naman ko itong hikayuna, upaw naman ko, iingon siya, kinamdam ko, may tag mabugado ka dong, kaya kung mabugado ka, upaw ka, arang-arang, dili ka mabugado, bagyod, luoy kayo ng now.
Sa pinakamahalagang araw ng inyong pagtatapos. Kagaya ninyo, ako ay produkto ng pampublikong edukasyon. Iskola ng bayan. Tulad ninyo, ako din ay nangarap makapag-aral nung ako ay nagsimula sa Kamuning Elementary School. Tulad ninyo, nagsikap din ako na maipasa ang bawat subject mula first year hanggang fourth year sa Quezon City Science High School. At tulad ninyo, pinagpatuloy ko ang aking pangarap bilang scholar ng bayan sa UP hanggang sa ako ay makagraduate.